KIS4 hinge failure and repair. My KIS4 was 17 years old with 1,250 flight hours when a rudder hinge failed in flight. The dark substance you see around the hinge is aluminum powder created by the stainless steel pin as it slowly wears the inside of the hinge out. As I push the control surface around, you realize how loose the pin has become inside the hinge. This is the best way to inspect the hinge. This is what a new hinge looks like. There's little to no gap between the pin and the hinge. When I put a new pin inside the failed hinge, you can see a gap between the pin and hinge. It's small, but it's there. I took the failed hinge with the new pin and moved it. The hinge was so worn out, the pin easily worked its way out. To prevent the pin from ever falling out, I first crimped the ends of the new hinges. I also plugged the ends with steel epoxy putty. The pin can never fall out now. The newly installed hinge has no slop, even as I aggressively move it up, down, back, and forth. Once again, this is the best way to inspect the hinge and the pin inside it. As an added safety measure, I replaced all the airplane's hinges and added a third hinge to the rudder assembly. I will replace all the hinges every 1,000 hours.